Welcome back to my channel, friends. This is Sonia here from Growing Craft, and I am super excited to share this video with you all. Yes, as you all know that we are coming up with a live session on our Facebook page in association with iCraft, and they were so generous enough to send me some of the amazing supplies from their store, and I really wanted to do this video because I genuinely wanted to share their supplies and whatever they have sent me in a big goodie box. So yes, of course, I want to start with my decoupage papers. I have lot to show you, but I'll show it one by one so that you know what exactly products I will be using. So yeah, here I have got 3 packs of decoupage papers. So these are absolutely gorgeous and beautiful. I have already made a project which I will be revealing on the same day, and of course in the live session you will be learning a new project, something similar to that but a complete different project. So yes, first thing what I got is these 3 packs of beautiful decoupage papers. I have already used one of the sheet for one of their projects, and yes, these I have a tons of few more sheets. Let me just show you. I'll just open one paper pack. So these are the beautiful decoupage papers what they have got in the store, and they have some of the amazing collection of designs. Yes, there are many more designs available on their website. So they look absolutely gorgeous. Just see the colors and the beautiful patterns and the designs. And while showing this, I'm already like binging for some new project to work on. Yes, please do not forget to join us for our live session on 6th of July on our Facebook page. The links are mentioned in the description box below. So these are the decoupage papers. Each pack has different designs. So yeah, the beautiful decoupage papers we have. The next thing which I absolutely love are the embellishments. These are the wooden embellishments. I have already used one pack for the other project what I have done, and these are the extra wooden embellishments what they have sent me. So yeah, the bigger packs and the smaller packs. Then the next thing what they have also sent me here are the stencils. And if you know me, if you know my channel, you must be knowing that I absolutely love stencils. And yeah, few of the designs what they have sent me are absolutely amazing. So the stencils what I have got here are of size 4x4 and one is of 8x4. So these are the stencils. Now it comes to the colors. So hold your breath because I have some of the amazing colors of chalk paints which I want to show you. Now this is one of my absolute favorite. This is Roman Purple. I don't want to tempt you guys, but yeah, these are extremely tempting. All the links are mentioned in the description box. This is St. Charles Street. This is Sleigh Bell. This is Cyrus Green. Then what I have is below, this is absolutely beautiful shade. Then what I have is Grilled Pepper, Old World Blue. Then I have Blue Street. Then I have Chalk Paint. Okay. Then the next one what I have is Scottdale. This is so gorgeous. I can't even tell you that how beautiful these shades are. Then what I have is Mystic Shadow. Then I have our pure and the pure cream pie white chalk paint. Then I have this Thai teal. And then I have this Distant Haze. And this is a kind of a grayish color. Then one of my favorite thing what I loved about the chalk paints is they also have the metallic chalk paints. So this one is Antique Bronze. And two of the very interesting products which I really like, this one is their Heavy Gesso. So this one is really good. I have already used this in one of my sample projects. Yes, you will see me using all these supplies on my Monday's live session. And the other one is Sticky Glue. This is absolutely amazing. What is so amazing about it? For that you will have to join us for our live session on Monday. So yes, These are the supplies what they have sent me. Of course, they have sent me a beautiful kit of a MDF element, but I really wanted to explore that and show you that on Monday itself on our live session. So for that you will have to join us live on our Monday session. And yes, of course, I have shared all the links of these supplies in the description box. Also for my live session, the Facebook link is there on my description box. Do check that, and I really hope that you will enjoy watching our session. You have enjoyed this video also. Take care guys, see you soon, bye bye.